Only walk. Oh shit, my battery. Plug it in.
Don't bother. You're not gonna feel anything.
Don't bother. Here comes.
You're not gonna feel anything.
Okay, go. Come on, Quincy. Go. Move back. Neck. Oh shit! Go. Holy shit.
Oh my god.
You got hit there.
Shut him the nuts. My legs!
That was like the best
I
game.
shot him a lot in the legs.
1, go! Juggernaught, part 2.
He's coming around right side.
I see him.
Yeah, I see him.
He's right there. Okay, move back.
Oh my god.
Move back. Wait, the neighbors are back there, dude.
What is?
Back there, the neighbors are there.
Oh.
That looks so sick. Get him in
Let him come.
Get him in the left shoulder.
Let's make him come.
Get him. Right shoulders. Okay, full auto. Okay. The neighbors are there.
Oh. Oh wait, let's make him come closer. He's right against the.
Okay, let's go.
Move down. Let's try to run at the wall.
Is he coming?
Make him come closer. Coming. That's such a wet area.
Where is he?
He's right there. Right there.
I don't see him.
He's coming.
Where?
He's right here. Let me go faster, bud. Let's. Trey, move. Trey. What's he firing, man?
Huh? Stop. We're gonna let him come.
His ears, so it's sticking out.
No, stop, don't shoot. Just come on!
Come on, man! Let's move back then. He's so close. Just grab it. Let's make him come closer. He's in such a wet area.
I know.
Get where it's dry.
Get where it's dry, that'll be fair.
Snow.
Just here, in this box.
And then we'll move back.
Oh shit, he's getting close. He's going really fast.
No, he's not.
You can run for 2 seconds. And starting now.
Stop.
You know he can't run for 2 seconds, bro.
I am the. Wait, did you say stop? Yeah.
Holy shit.